There are only two prefixes. There are only two prefix names that you need to know. First, I will be telling you the prefix for dash H. Yes, that's X. First learn that. That is also there, Raj Gaurav. What is this meaning of dash X? This dash means bond and this X means halogen. Now, who can tell me what all halogens do you know? Can anybody comment? What are the following halogens? Okay. Okay, halogens, anybody? Anybody? Very good. Lucky Rutul Raj Shailaja. So we have got fluorine, we have got chlorine, we have got bromine, we have got iodine. We also have astatine after that, but we'll not be writing that. So we have got fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. See, I have gone back again, Guhav, just for you. Now you have to understand that suppose I have given you a compound, and in that compound you find that halogen fluorine is there that could not come in the parent chain. Who can tell me what name are you going to use for fluorine? If fluorine is there, then in the prefix what you are going to write, Raj Gaurav is correct. Little spelling error, that is fluoro. Yes, Sanchita, very good, Lucky. Now tell me if it is chlorine. Okay, Kuldeep, we are talking about the IUPAC name, Kuldeep. There are four things in the IUPAC name, Kuldeep: prefix, root name, nature, suffix. Okay, out of those we are currently learning prefix, Kuldeep, and in that also, no, this is not coming in exam, Ridhima, but for that we are now learning prefix. In prefix we are learning, Kuldeep, halogens. So for chlorine we are going to write chloro. Anybody tell me for bromine what we will write? Can anybody tell me for bromine what can we write? Definitely we have to write bromo. Now for iodine what should we write? Can anybody tell me? For iodine what should we write? Iodine ke liye. Yes, you guessed it right, iodo. So don't you think it is very simple? It is very simple. If you have a halogen, you can easily understand what is the prefix name that has to be written. Fantastic. Now let us understand the next type of prefix that can be possible, which is dash R. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of dash R or bond R? It represents what? It represents the alkyl group. It represents the alkyl group. Now, if you do not know what an alkyl group is, do not worry at all, because I will simplify that also for you. You have to remember that from alkane, okay, everybody knows what alkanes are, yes or no? From alkane, if I simply remove a hydrogen, one single hydrogen, then I am going to get alkyl. Alkyl is what we are talking about. Okay, from alkene, just remove one hydrogen, you are going to get alkyl. So can you tell me what is the name of the first alkane? What is the name of the first alkane? It is methane, yes or no? Correct. Now from methane, if I remove one hydrogen, then how will it be represented? It will be represented as dash CH3. And can anybody tell me what this will be called as? It will be called as methyl group. Okay, this is called methyl group. So if you see that in a particular compound, dash CH3 is what is coming in the branch, it is coming in the substituent, then we have to use the term methyl. So prefix ko we also called as branch. Okay, and the other name can be substituent. Okay, so if dash CH3 is coming as a branch or substituent, then we will use the term methyl. Fantastic. Now, who can tell me what is the name of the next alkane? Who can tell me name of the next alkane? It is ethane, C2H6. So from ethane, if I remove one hydrogen, what I am going to get? I am going to get dash C2H5. So if the top wala was methyl, what will this be called? Yes, all of you are giving correct answers. It is going to be called ethyl. Now tell me, what is the name of the third alkane? Don't you agree? The name of the third alkane is C3H8. Absolutely right. So from this, if you remove one hydrogen, what you are going to get? You're going to get dash C3H7. And what is this going to be called? It is going to be called propyl. So do you agree? Like this, it can easily continue. Next, from butane to butyl. Very good, Ritul, Valay, Lucky. Superb, Shailaja, great. So this is it. These are the only two types of prefixes that you are probably going to encounter. Halogens, simple, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. Alkyl group, how do you get alkyl group? If you remove a hydrogen from alkane, you get the alkyl group. How to name the alkyl group? Just add "-il" at the end. "-il" at the end. देर आर मेनी, बहुत सारे हैं, 15 20 30, जितना बोलोगे उतना है, बहुत सारे होते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए. सो हैव वी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड दिस प्रीफिक्स पार्ट? यस और नो? We have understood this prefix part. Acha ji. Now there are more points to it, but let us first go once through all of them, then we will see. ठीक है, तो prefix तो हो गया जी. Now let us go to the, I hope everybody has noted down. I hope everybody has noted everything that we have written. Fantastic. Now, see, noting down is important. Now, quiz and all that will come and go, but noting down and making notes is very, very important. Now, dear student, the next is the root name. First, I will resolve the biggest mistake that people do. And some of you will already be doing that. See, root name does not mean the total number of carbon present in the compound ki corresponding name. Please do not have that misconception. If a compound is having, let's say, 10 carbon atoms, we do not write the root name based on 10 carbon atoms. No, we do not count all carbon atoms. No, we count only the carbon atoms present in the root chain, parent chain. That is why it is called root chain. Okay, Guha, again I have gone back for you. Yes, Raj Gaurav, you are right. Okay, yes. So basically we write the root name only. Please write this down. ये किसी को पता ही नहीं है, आप कहीं से भी पढ़ लो, ये लिखा ही नहीं है पॉइंट, और सब गलत कर देते हैं. Based on carbon atoms, based on carbon atoms of only the parent chain or root chain. Okay, the main chain, the root chain. That is why the term root name is given. Okay, fantastic. Now it is very simple. This is very, very simple. Okay, sir, I told the position earlier in. Okay, very good, Raj Gaurav, very good. Now let us quickly see on the left hand side. Let us write the first column, number of carbon. On the right side, let us write the column root name. Okay, and let us quickly start now. Okay, quickly start. Fantastic. So two columns we have made here, and we have started now. We'll be writing till the ones that are important. Fantastic. Let's start here. Let's quickly start here. So if you have one carbon atom, then tell me what is the root name, everybody? What is the root name? It is meth. Very good, Kuldeep. Very good, Ritul. Fantastic. If there are two carbon atoms, then what is the root name? Tell me. The root name is eth. Okay. If there are three carbon atoms, what is the root name? Tell me. The root name is going to be prop. If there are four carbon atoms, what is going to be the root name? Tell me. The root name is going to be but. If there are five carbon atoms, what is going to be the root name? Root name is going to be pent. If there are six carbon atoms, what is the root name? Root name is going to be hex. Now, please, for 7 carbon atoms, do not write sept. It is not sept, it is hept. Fantastic. Now, for 8 carbon atoms, let me see who can tell me. It is called oct. Now, for 9 carbon atoms, let us see who can tell me. For 9 carbon atoms, it is non, N-O-N. For 10 carbon atoms, let me see who can tell me. It is DEC, D-E-C. Now, this much is actually sufficient for grade 10. There was only one occasion where, miscellaneously they had given 11 carbon atoms, and many people lost marks in that question. But I do not want you to lose marks in that question. So I am going to tell you very simple trick.